Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to solve about torsion. So in this problem 3.1, determine the torque T that causes a maximum shear stress of 70 MPa in the steel cylindrical shaft shown. So this is our steel cylindrical shaft. So as you can see, our T is going clockwise, and we have our 18 millimeter the C. So we have given maximum shearing stress of 70 MPa, and we have C is equal to 18 mm or 0.018 meters. So we are required to solve for the T. So we have the formula for the maximum shear stress is equal to TC over J, whereas our J is equal to pi over 2 C to the power 4. So this value, simply plug in the value of J. So we have maximum shear stress is equal to TC over pi over 2 C to the power 4. So cancel the C. Then we have left C to C cube. So transpose the formula so we can solve for the T. So our formula now is equal to T is equal to pi over 2 C cube, then multiplied by the maximum shear stress. So we have plug in the values. We have pi over 2 multiplied by 0.018 meter cube multiplied by the maximum shear stress of 70 MPa or 70 times 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. So our answer for that is simply 641.26 Newton meter. On to our next problem 3.2. For the cylindrical shaft shown, determine the maximum shearing stress caused by a torque of magnitude T is equal to 800 Newton meter. So as you can see, our cylindrical shaft is just like the same in the previous problem. So we have T clockwise direction, and we have C is equal to 18 millimeter. So our given is we have T or the torque of 800 Newton meter. We have C is equal to 18 mm or is equal to 0.018 meters. So we are required to solve for the maximum shearing stress. So the same as the previous one. So our formula for the maximum shearing stress is equal to TC over J, whereas our J is equal to pi over 2 times C to the power 4. So plug in this value into this one. So we have maximum shearing stress is equal to TC over pi over 2 times to the power 4. So cancel this one. So we have now left cube. So then transpose this to the top. So we have now maximum shear stress is equal to 2T over pi C cube. So plug in the values. So 2, our T is 800 Newton meter divided by pi multiplied by the C cube. So we have 0.018 meter cube. So our maximum shear stress now is simply 87.328 times 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. And that's all. Thank you.